Today's question comes from Madison, Wisconsin, and it's the following. How can I sell a joint ownership property when my partners, plural, does not want to do it and the property is now in a transfer on death deed to his son? So here's the background. My partner and I own a condo in Madison, Wisconsin, so it sounds like just one partner. I've been trying for years to sell it to him, but he refuses to buy me out. Now he has set up a transfer on death deed to his son as his beneficiary, and to avoid this sale without my consent. I need to know how to proceed to liquidate the property to force him to buy me out. I do not want to wait until he dies to be able to sell it. I am 65 years old and he is 70. So it sounds like there's a few things going on here, but if you own this property as joint ownership, as tenants in common with this partner, then he or she has the right to dispose of their interests as they wish. That includes them putting that transfer on death deed on the property, where saying upon your partner's death his interest in the property passes to his son. That transfer on death deed only takes effect if and when he dies, as you realize, so that's why he is able to do that without triggering some sort of sale clause you mentioned. My question for you would be, do you have this inside an LLC or partnership? Because then you could refer to the operating agreement. It might cover what happens when you have a dispute like this. If not, if you just own it outright with this one other person, you may need to petition the court in Dane County for what we call a partition action and ask the judge to divide the property. In this case, if it's a condo, it's unlikely they could divide it, meaning literally, cut it in half, so the judge would likely order a sale. So I suggest you talk with a local real estate attorney about your options, because you may need to do this partition action if you truly want to force your partner to buy you out. Great question, and thank you for asking.